2006 Freightliner Business Class M2-106 with a 2,200 gallon 4-compartment aluminum tank, stock number 064813. So 2006 Freightliner Business Class M2 has a C7 Caterpillar at 210 horsepower, 6-speed manual transmission, power steering, air brakes, air conditioning, cruise control, 11R 22.5 tires on steel buds, spring suspension, 2 50-gallon aluminum fuel tanks, block heater. Tank is a 1996 Boston Steel 2,200 gallon 4-compartment aluminum tank. The compartment sizes are 700, 600, 500, and 400. It's a DOT 406. It's double bulkhead. Has two 2.5-inch Blackmer pumps, two 2-inch Neptune meters, registers with auto stop and ticket printers. Has 2 electric hose reels with around 120 feet of hose and nozzles. Cable operated internal valves. Jumper hose system with new drop rates. Again, this is a 2006 Freightliner Business Class M2-106 with a 2,200 gallon 4-compartment aluminum tank, stock number 064813. If you'd like more information, please give us a call at 865-524-5678 or visit us online at www.petroleumtrucks.net.